Tired of boring PowerPoint presentations? Put those clickers away, folks, because it's time to get creative. Start with blank presentation. Click Design tab and Format Background. Choose Picture or Texture Fill and insert image. Browse and select image. Click Insert, choose More Image for project. Go to Picture Format and remove background. Drag image downward. Choose More Image. Mark area to visible. Arrange image. Give the image animation by selecting Align Motion Path. Press Effect option and select Direction up to adjust the direction. To get the water to rise more. On the left side of the picture, click the badge 1, then drag the red point upward. Adjust the animation's start and duration, which are set at 3 seconds. Animate the second picture as the first one now. Put in another image and follow the previous procedure again. add one additional animation to this image. Select Spin in the Emphasis category under Add Animation. To copy an animation from one object and paste another using Animation Painter. Have to change the spinning direction to left. Insert text. Duplicate text, place above. Choose Panel, go to Select, and give each item a new name. Set duplicate text, text outline, white, text fill, no fill, and weight 2.5 points. Put original text behind orange and lemon picture.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on computer hardware and other tech topics.